Hi, I'm Chris Hawkins, and today I'd like to talk about publishing your model and activating it from Vico Office. So we're in Revit, and we have our substructure model, and we're going to publish this to Vico Office. So under Add-ins, External Tools, select Publish to Vico Office. This process will dig into the Vico Office server and present us with a list of projects to select to publish our model. So we've got our list of projects, and we're going to select our BPFL model export. We select Create New Model, since no model exists in the Vico project. And we want to take a look at the options at the bottom of the dialog. We have Publish Revit Rooms, which there are no rooms in our substructure model. We have Publish Only Filtered Content. So in this regard, any visibility settings or filters you set up in your Revit view will be taken into consideration for the content that's published. In this case, we'll uncheck this. We just want to publish everything that's in the view. And then the final option is to use the project base point as a coordinate origin. Typically, this is always going to remain checked because you're going to want all of your various models to coordinate within Vico Office. Select Publish. And that'll shoot through the various geometry, export completed. Now we're going to toggle to another project and do the same thing over again. We want to bring in our shell for this project. Again, we'll select our BPFL Publish Model and select Create New Model. Use the same options as the previous Publish and Publish. Now when this operation is completed, we'll jump over to our Vico project and open up our document controller. We'll see that there's a new folder called 3D Models that's been created automatically for us since models have been published to the project. We have our substructure model and our external shell model. To activate these, we need to go to our model register and look at our change activation options. From here you get a list of various Revit categories that can be used to associate the data represented by this geometry within Vico Office. The most typical categories you're going to use when publishing from Revit is going to be family and family type. So we'll set those two categories for our substructure model and then click Activate Selected Models. It will go through and associate all the geometry with its family and family type nomenclature. And now when we pull this into our view, we have our substructure. If we take a quick look at our takeoff model task, you'll see the naming convention that was pulled over. Round column is the actual family, and then A1021001 CIPRC pile ID is the actual family type. Now just to take a quick look at the difference in what the activation options can change, for our exterior, we'll look at the change activation options and we'll add category before family and family type. Click OK. Select Activate Models. And you'll see that our shell has been added to our 3D view. And if we take a look at Takeoff Model, you'll notice that all of our shell information has an additional category appended in front of it: walls and windows and doors. That is from the added addition of the main category to the activation options. For more tips and tricks, please check out our YouTube channel. And for any additional questions, please contact your local BuildingPoint rep.